All right. Hey, guys, you are in this because you want an update on the Grafton project. We have two 36 plexes that we're building up there very soon, 72 units overall. Grafton has been in dire need for housing, and everything is coming together very quickly. We did have, so this is just my quick update. If you're just getting this message or seeing this on, you got to input it into our CRM, meaning you had some interest in this Grafton project. You really should, if you're interested in investing in real estate and need things like depreciation and cash flow, this will be a very good investment for that. So what do we have? We know that there's build costs. If you're new here, there's some other information I'll tell you how to reach out at the end, but the build costs here are about $15.6 million. That's what we're budgeting to. And right now we're in the process of construction. I'm, Mark Kuhn from Mac Construction, Mac Capital. So I'm very involved in the day-to-day construction period, and obviously trying to make aware of the investors that are in this project. And we're learning a lot on the construction side. We got the civil numbers back, meaning the dirt work and some of the site improvements that need to happen. But now we just got the plans back from the architect on Tuesday, and so we got those out to bid this week. And in a couple weeks, we'll know, hey, these are our final construction cost numbers, and this is where the project's ending up. But right now, we feel very good about where our budgets stand. We don't know that they're going to come down drastically. Of course, it actually costs us more to build in Grafton than it does in Grand Forks or Fargo or wherever you're from. So, but this will be a very subsidized project, and there's very good reason that Bank of North Dakota is contributing a lot of capital equity, not just debt in this instance, into a project. And so we got appraisal back, we got the banking all completed, ready to go. And now we're moving into, we got to get this thing together. So we're drafting operating agreement. That should be actually done today. July 26th is when we shot this. And when we, what we're trying to do is just get the operating agreement complete, but we need to know the investors that are involved. And so what I want you to do, if you have interest in this project, we have about $1 million of, and probably half of that's already spoken for by some investors that have obviously already committed to this. But what I want you to do, even if you've committed, and I want you to get on a phone call with me. There's a link below that'll say, hey, get on a 30-minute call. There's a bunch of times on there. Hopefully something can work for you. Or B, reach out to me via email that we can put in the link below, or my phone number. I really don't care. You can text me, call me. I'm available at any point. If I don't get back to you right away, just give me a minute and I will. So, but I want to get on the phone with you. I just want to know the commitment basis we need to get from committing to actual cash moving forward, so that way we can get this thing rolling through the bank very quickly. We want to start this project in August. August is next week. It's literally next Thursday. And so we want to make sure to get this online very quickly and move forward. So, and just as an investor, if you're new here, if you haven't heard, we're offering them a 12 pref. So meaning this project of $15.6 million, we're going to pull about $8 million in debt. The equity stack is $7.6 million. B&D's filling up a lot of the bottom of it. Marvin's filling up between donations and cash. I'm putting donations, cash into this. The city of Grafton has gave a 13-year TIF and also land contributing to the project. So of the $7.6 million, we're looking for $1 million from LPs. And maybe a little more if we're able to, but we're offering $1 million, and we're going to try and cap it pretty close to that. Might go just over, but that's okay to some point. But we're going to give them a 12 pref, meaning you are going to be the first paid on any cash flow that comes out of these buildings. It's going to get paid to that $1 million in LP. That's a very big, small piece of that entire equity stack of $7.6 million. So just feel confidence that this is really like a great 12% return for any investors. And you're going to be getting a gain in depreciation. Of course, B&D doesn't need depreciation, so they're not going to request it. Marvin may take depreciation, but that's a small piece of the equity stack. B&D, so you will get, I don't know at what percentage, but for every dollar that you're putting in, you're likely to get at least probably a 1-to-1 percentage back, meaning you invest $100,000, you're likely to get a paper loss in 2025 when we depreciate this of $100,000 in paper losses that you can apply to your other passive income. Again, always tell everyone, check with their CPA on how you can use paper losses or accelerated depreciation in real estate and apply it to your income as well. So, guys, I want you to take a little bit of action here. I need you to reach out, go into that link, schedule a call with me. I'd love to dive deeper in this project. I'd love to answer any questions you have personally. And I want you to get into this, and I want you to get familiar with this project. This is going to be a great opportunity for some LPs. This isn't going to last long either, and I'm going to be giving these updates, and literally in 3 weeks, we're going to be hopefully at the groundbreaking. So I want you to get in. You're going to need to take some action, though. You're going to have to at least get in touch with me. One of three ways: schedule a call, a Zoom meeting with me if we can't get in person. Two, reach out to me via phone. We can schedule a call. We can just be on the phone. We can go meet for coffee, whatever. Or the third thing, shoot me an email. And let's just get in touch. I want to know the minimum amount to invest in this project is $100,000. If there's something that interests you, I promise you, and if you love the city of Grafton, you love the community, this would be a great way for you to support the community of Grafton and also help Grafton grow their housing needs because it is in desperate need out there. And Mayor West and the city of Grafton have done a great job to get this project to where it finally has been. So it's not, the work isn't over yet, but we're working with BND and Marvin closely and us as the developer and the building costs, trying to get everything squeezed to get a project like this done. It is not easy, I promise you, to get rural housing. Your investment's not only appreciated, but we're hopefully, incentivizing you with the 12% preferred return, getting paid for anyone before anyone else gets paid in the deal. So if any of that interests you, I promise you, take some action. Let's get on a call, and I'd love to chat with you guys. Appreciate you. I'll have an update next week as well.